Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today let us see how to use Google Docs. First, sign in to your account and then go to the search or address bar and type Google Docs and click the enter button. You will find yourself in the link section. Click the first link, Google Docs free online documents for personal use. Click. Now you will come to the Google Docs page. You have to choose the personal. Go to Google Docs. If you have a G Suite, the paid version, then you can go to that Google Doc. Now I'm going to show you for the personal Google Doc. So you have to click the go to Google Docs. It's loading. And here you are at the Google Docs page. So here, first of all, what do you see? You can see the main menu, the Docs homepage, the search bar, all the Google apps and your account. Now below that comes the start a new document. Here you have many templates to choose from. So you can use these templates and choose it on based on what you're trying to put in there. So that in the first page it can come like this. First one is a blank document, then some letters or whatever you want. If you want more, then you have to click the template gallery button which is given here. When you click it, a template gallery will come. There are so many things and templates where you can do. There are templates for recently used, means what you have been using recently. Next one is the resumes, and then letters. After that comes personal, and then comes work, and then comes sales, and after that comes legal, human resources, freelancer engagement, and many more. So there is even things for education. So you can choose any one of them based on your what you're putting there. Now I will let's tell I take now the blank document. So after that, when you go below, you can see your recent documents, what and all you have made. You can see is it shared and which time has when which time it has been checked. So when you click the three dots here, that time you get some options. You can rename the document, you can remove the document, you can open it in a new tab, or you can you can available it offline. So you can do many things like that. Next, now you can even you can even change this section. Can go to not owned by me, owned by me, and owned by anyone. So now you can change that settings. Now I'm going to go to the start a new document, and I'm going to start a blank document. So when you click on the blank document, you get it like this. So the page is loading. And ta-da! It came. So here you have many options to go from, means to choose from. Now, first you this is the dog's home. Next, here is where you can name your document. Now, let's tell for example, my first dog. Now, when you can next star this document if you want, it's too important. After that comes the menu bar. Here you can find the file section where you can share, you can open a new one, can copy, or you can make a copy, can open, can email it to someone, you can download it as Microsoft Word or open document format, and many other things. Next, you can make it available and many other things. You can move to trash, publish to the web, and others. Next thing, when you click the edit button, you can see the undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, and paste without formatting, delete, and many other options. Next is the view button. You can see the print layout and the show the ruler, and this is like a settings page. Next, insert. In the insert part, you can insert things like a table and an image or a drawing or a chart or many other things. Next, you can see the format. You can see how the text is typed, bold, italic, whatever you want, and many other things. In the tools section, you can see the spelling and grammars, you can see the word count, you can see the explore, you can compare documents, which is a new thing, and you can do voice typing, translate document, many other things. In the add-on section, you can get some add-ons which you think will be needed. So when you click the get add-ons, that time a small page will come. If it doesn't load for you, then try to close the document and then open it again. So you have to wait for some time, and tada, it has come. Now here you have many things. Whatever you want, you can just add. Now I don't want anything, so I'll close the document, and that's what for is add-ons. Next thing is the help section. It's for training, updates, doc help, and all these things, and for feedbacks. Now, some things are even given in the below menu section. The undo redo button, print, grammar and spelling check, paint format, zoom, the styles of text, fonts, font size, bold, italic, and other stuff. You can even add insert an image or insert a link inside. You can show how the alignment works. If you want, it can come in the middle or in the side or in the middle or whatever you want. Next, you can see the line spacing, and then you can make a numbered list. And if you click the down arrow, you have many lists. And then you can make a bulleted list. If you click the arrow, you'll find many bulleted lists. Then the decrease in indent and all the stuff. Editing mode, you can change the modes, suggesting, viewing, or editing. Okay, so now let's start typing. Now you can adjust the zoom. Now let's tell 120. So I hope you can see. So in here you can type your things. Now let's tell. Okay, Okay, so I've typed 2, 3 sentences here as my first document. Hello all, my name is Ritu. So now if I've made a mistake, like if I have put this R in my name, Ritu, and I've made it a small r, then the spelling grammar has to check it. So if you click the spelling grammar, it tells document looks good. So don't always depend on the spelling grammar because it most of the times doesn't work. Now, if I type some blah 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 blah, now still the spelling checker doesn't yet work. But look down, there's a line. So if you click, you can do the undo button, or you can click the more options, autocorrect is wrong, or provide more details. So that's one thing you can do there. I'll just delete. Okay. So I'm going to type 2 to 3 more sentence. So don't always depend on the spelling and grammar check because it most of the times doesn't react. Okay, so if you have any comments about my video, then please share it in the comments box below. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell and share my videos. Thank you all. Ta da 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 da. See, learn, use.